Good evening, teacher. My name is Daniel Nathan B. Almirez. Today, we will learn about internal and external fertilization. But first, I will explain the internal fertilization. It's a type of fertilization that occurs the parents inside, or I will say womb. And these are the examples of animals that undergo internal fertilization: dog, cow, and in my back, which is horse, and many more. Now for the external. External fertilization occurs outside the parent's body or womb. This type usually takes place in water to prevent the sex cells from drying off. And now for the examples of animals that undergo external fertilization: frog, fish, axolotl, and many more. The difference from internal and external fertilization: internal occurs when land animals mate, and external fertilization occurs when aquatic animals mate. Thank you.